welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how ice cream is made, all step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
We ensure precise ratios of ingredients, guaranteeing that the final product has a consistent texture and flavor every time.
We have an amber warning on the timing. Look at that viscosity spike.
Running stabilization sequence now. It's returning to green.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how ice cream is made, Enfit Lays, from start to finish.